What's up, guys? Over here with my buddy Hayden.
And we are at the car show.
Go subscribe to this guy right here.
I want to honk.
Wait.
Right now we are in a new Jeep 2016 model.
Okay, let's go.
By the way, guys, let's go show you the sports cars.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got some motorcycles here.
Yeah, here's a motor.
So someone used it. I know someone used it. By the stage.
Yeah, that.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna
2015 model.
we're gonna show you the beginning of the Lamborghinis. Okay, here it is, guys. You ready to see? You ready to see? You ready to see? Here's the
First one.
First
Second
one.
one.
Second one right there.
As you can see, a third one. And you can see how they flew down.
I'm gonna show you the other one. Let's go. And then
Let me hold it for you.
hey, give me. Look at that orange one.
This is the Diablo. Yeah, that's the Diablo.
That was the Diablo.
Diablo.
That is
the Colorado.
So we're gonna show you some again. Where's that guy going? Like, we're gonna show you the green one. And then
Those are Ferraris.
The last one.
follow this kid too. We got Hayden. We gotta show him the other cars. The car I wanted.
Oh yeah.
I want that one right there.
I'll show you guys. Instagram AMK0009.
Then let's go. Let's go on to follow him. Like, yes.
Go follow. Go follow.
Go
Shout
follow.
out. Follow.
Shout out right now. Like, if you see that right there, this is
out.
MK00. Another one. Let's go. Here's the other Instagram one. Can't see that one.
And for the final car, this whole thing.
It is.
Oh, that's the one I want. That yellow one. Okay, the final one of this whole thing is the Need for Speed Most Wanted. Da 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 da.
The car.
That thing, it goes like.
It's the British happy speed car. Paris stock.
0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds.
Top speed.
0 to 100
Top speed 155. It's not that fast. So let's go. Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. We back with a little cheese. As well as chocolate. We rode in that one before. You say that one. Boy?
Oh, wait.
I can eat it now.
You don't have the key.
Yep, okay.
The house.
Here, I'm going on. Let me get on. Don't touch anything. Hold it.
Sorry if you can't hear us that well.
Yeah, it's really
It's
loud.
out here.
So we were in that car. See, there's one. Nah, minute. Let's go inside them. We gotta go inside them first. Like.
I call drivers.
We both get driver's seat. Look at this car right now. That's it. It's the Smart. So I bet. So it's a space saving. It's eco friendly and it's smart.
Did you hear that?
Hey, that's him. Hey, open the trunk. How you?
Oh, it's a smart car.
Yeah. Like, so, with the,
Wow, it's nice. And like,
I could drive in this. Like, this.
Yeah. Is it stick shift? No, not stick shift.
Oh, it's not stick shift. Like, you don't need. I gotta do this for you, man.
Yeah, but you got the handbrake.
Yeah, I'm like.
Drifter.
We get a switch? Awkward. Oh. We switch in. Look at these. Like, it's Mercedes Benz.
Oh, wow.
Meow.
How do you know it's Mercedes?
Huh?
How do you know it's Mercedes?
I don't know. I'm driving like a car. Oh, guys, look at the Dodge.
Oh, there's a handle.
We're going to the Dodge. We're going to the Dodge. We go to the Dodge. You see there? You see there? Look at the boxes. Oh no, guys, read this. Oh, no, it's a Big Mac attack.
There's Big Macs everywhere.
I'm scared. I feel like someone's gonna come out.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you didn't know that, we watched a Ouija board last night, and I'm not that scared anymore, but I still think that someone's gonna.
You're not. You just touched it. It's coming after you. It can't. Why can't we see?
Enter here. Guess how many Big Mac boxes are in a car, and you could win a free Big Mac each week for 1 year.
Like one Big Mac? Nah, I'm okay. Like,
But each week you get 1 Big Mac for a whole entire year.
yeah, I don't want that. Like, how didn't we see this in the first part? Like,
I don't know, man. Okay, no, we haven't explored these things. Oh, we gotta run.
go, 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 go! Zooming through the sky. It all has time. Climb aboard. Get ready to make moon the summer.
What about this one, the Metro?
Bro, look how big this is! Look at this! Dude! That could be for me.
We can get in. Let's go.
I know. Like two plugs here. Look, where's Hayden at? Where's Hayden? Where you at? Oh, what's up, buddy?
Ready, kids?
Yeah, I'm gonna come in.
I got you.
I'm coming in. So you-
This is kind of confusing. Oh, you could call somebody.
So, no. Let me call my dad. Oh,
I show it on camera.
they don't even see it, so.
Okay.
Go, look, it's Mercedes Benz too. If you see it.
Honk.
Let me get in.
Just waiting.
I wanna go on this. No, we're just. I go on. Like, wow, look at this. Wow.
What?
Do you think it move these seats around? Do you think that's the reason?
Like, oh my gosh, look at these hop. I think they need more. Like, look at these. There's a plug. Is there a plug over there? Nope. There's a plug right here for your charger. You can't see.
It's probably just.
This is dark. Like, I need to look at myself. Like, am I beautiful? Are you guys beautiful? Yeah.
Wait, I have buttons.
I don't know.
I don't think buttons. Yeah, we got this stuff up here.
Okay, we're just pressing every button. Okay. We have to go in the big one. We have to go in the back. Let's go in the back.
Oh my god. This is like football.
Oh my god.
Yo, this
What's up?
storage room.
What's up, guys? Wait, look at how big this is. I'll show you guys up over here.
You ready?
Right here. I'm gonna show you guys. Look how big that is. Like, oh my god.
I'm pretty small. Let me back up to get the full picture. Pretty small.
Look at that face. Oh jeez. Here we go. Nissan. Let's go to Nissan. No one's in the Nissan. Oh, this is so big. Don't step on the seat. You should.
I went like this.
You went on the seat too.
I yeeted.
Like, see what's inside here. Like, buddy.
Wow.
Buddy,
Look at
man,
that.
Look at that space. Like, our hands all the way down there.
Space.
You want to go to a different one?
You can't be killed or injured by the passenger airbag.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm out. No, I'm scared. What car next, buddy? Where's he at? He just leave? Oh. What car back? Let's just go. Let's
I'm
look
like
in the back.
knocking on the door like, hey, you gonna move?
Oh
And then
my
she's just
God.
standing there like,
Wait, no, this is not right. Look at the space of this car in the back. There's no space. Except like it has
oh my god. You can put these down.
it has like one
Oh my god.
it has 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seats.
What's that?
This could be for
This
you.
is what Mr. Streets fan.
No, this is for you. Come on, let's go.
No, this is easily. This
Bring on my camera in? You want to bring my camera in? Wait, let's see what they're doing. Oh, it's a video game. Oh. You going on? You're gonna get caught? You're gonna get caught?
I can make it. I can make it.
You get caught? You know.
you don't know how to try film.
Yeah,
You
dude.
need to know everything.
Yeah. Not every single. Whoa, look at that big one.
You know the Simpsons. Oh, let's get in, dude.
Whoa.
It's like a moving van.
I can barely reach it. Stop it there, 38. Hey, I'm not getting with the pillow. I get in the
seat.
I get in the driver's seat.
Yeah, I'll get.
So we're going in the driver's seat. Look at this door. Like, oh my god. Oh, I fell.
Oh, that hurts.
Like, oh my god.
It feels good, but I don't really like the texture of the seat.
Oh.
Like, how can you see the road?
You could probably see the room. Like, if I was,
Apparently.
like, I would be. Oh, why was this moving? See how much space? Same.
Whoa.
It's the same.
That's about my arm length.
Oh, jeez. It's not really long.
Okay. The
Uh,
radio, I guess I could work that pretty well.
Like, okay, let's go. You ready? You want to be in the...
And the Porsche trucker can be killed. So let's go.
This is awesome, guys. No! Oh my god. So where you want to go next? Like if we, like this is amazing because we could get in the cars. Like
Okay, so we haven't been over here yet.
wait, where? Tell 'em.
Over here.
We haven't been over there.
We haven't.
So we going over there and we gotta
We're
drive.
gonna be right here. Let's go. Let's go.
No! Again! Get the drugs! Where's the drugs? Okay, go!
Yeah, what the?
Whoa, what is... Oh my god. Guys, if you see that, it's just a little stick. Like, oh
Sorry
my,
about the lighting. It's still on light.
like if it would work.
Look
Look,
at that.
we could fit like my family in here, like mom and dad. No, we can't. There's your car over there. That's their car over there. You wanna go meet your car? Yeah, let's go. Like, let's go meet his car. Okay, let's go meet his car. Let's go meet his car. What are you doing?
Oh, okay. I was like, where are you? It's perfect little size.
Cause I'm in the back. Go, daddy! Go, daddy!
I
Go.
know this is the best part.
Oh, I want to try that! I want to try that. I just want to put it.
I can move my steering wheel. That's nice. And as you can see, Mr. Obisha.
Okay, let me go in the back. I do it. Because as you can see, it's a back, it's a back, it's a back. It's a back, it's a back, it's a back, it's a back, but
Oh, doing it here again. It's like
You got the recording or you
it's
gonna taping?
yeah, it's for YouTube.
Oh, cool. You gotta select it.
What's up? Drive that thing. Oh, he went over this. Okay, I'm dead. Like, screw that, I'm dead. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die if he's here. Like, yeah, as you can see. Like, as you can see. There's my tutor's car. What's green? Look at here. Whoa.
Hey,
What?
we got to see.